My name is Algeria, the land of pride and glory, and the home of a million martyrs who wrote pages of honor with their blood. I am the vast Sahara with its golden sands, the Atlas Mountains that tell the story of my people's resilience, and the Mediterranean shores that carry the essence of civilizations. I am the Kasbah of Algiers, a symbol of heritage, Timgad, a witness to ancient civilizations, and the land of heroes who resisted colonialism with fearless hearts. My people are strong and hospitable, known for their courage and generosity, deeply rooted in their traditions, and proud of a culture that bridges authenticity and modernity. In their celebrations and songs, they tell stories of love for the land and loyalty to the nation. I am Algeria, where heritage meets the aspirations of the future, and where glory resonates in every corner of my land.